channel. So today we are going to cook Southern style brown beans with ham in the crock pot. Very convenient, okay? So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. So I have already washed and assorted my beans out. I just went through them, made sure there wasn't any dirt or any rotten beans in them, and I'm just going to pour them in my crock pot. Now what I have here is country ham hocks, which I got from a local supply store here. I have already washed them. I am just going to put them in the crock pot with the brown beans as is. I'm not going to pre-boil them or anything like that. So next, I'm going to take my water and I am going to pour the water over the beans and the ham hock, and you want the water to cover both the beans and the ham hock. Both. That's a must, because whether you know it or not, beans soaks up a lot of water. So you got to make sure you have enough. Now I am adding my garlic powder in there. I don't have no measurements. I just guesstimate. So just whatever you think you should add, you just add it in there. I am now adding my onion powder in there as well. This is some of my favorite seasons I like to use in my brown beans. Next, I will be adding black pepper. Yes. And finally, I'm going to add kosher salt. I just like to use kosher salt when I cook, but you can use regular salt. Place the top on it. My crock pot is on low for 6 hours. Our brown beans has been cooking for 2 hours. So I'm just checking them, stirring them up, making sure I do have enough water in them. Because like I stated before, brown beans have a tendency to soak up water. As you can see, they are not done, but they are getting there. So at this point, I just give them another little stir. And I am going to place the top on them, and I'm going to allow them to cook for the remaining 4 hours. Now that our brown beans has cooked for the remaining 4 hours, they are good, nice, and ready. As you can see, the ham hocks are very well done. They are falling apart. That's a good thing. The beans are not mushy, but just enough firmness where, they not going to be all mushy and stuff in your mouth. And it still has a good amount of water in them and a pretty color, by the way. So now all I'm going to do is just turn my crock pot off, and I'm going to place the lid back on and allow them to cool. Our Southern style brown beans and ham hocks are complete and finished and ready to be eaten. Don't they look amazing? It can be served with fried chicken, pork chop, cornbread, anything really. This is a easy go-to meal. You put it in the crock pot and you go. You know for 6 hours that you're going to be good if you added enough water in them. So now, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Short, sweet, and to the point. And I hope you guys try this video out. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how I cook my brown beans. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you go subscribe. Make sure your bell is on. That way you won't miss an upload. So until next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.